bad for you.
G'day guys, Carlos from Ugga Travel. Today I wanted to take a minute and just show you my new favourite tool. I got myself a little ToolPro impact driver. So I've never actually had an impact driver before, and I'll tell you what, this thing is bloody amazing. As you can see, it's not much bigger than my hand. It's a lithium battery, got a brushless motor, the front of it's metal, feels solid, feels good in your hand. You can control the speed of it by how hard you pull the trigger. It's good for 200 Newton meters. Got a little light on the front so you can see what you're doing. So ToolPro brought out a range of power tools that all accept the same batteries. So this is a little 1.5 amp hour battery. I just use this one because I like the size, I like how small it is. I do have a 4 amp hour battery too, which something's cool. Little LED indicator to show you how much capacity is left in the actual battery, so that's cool. One thing I did do is I got myself a set of impact sockets to go with it. They're just designed to take the duggas, to take the impact. Car's currently jacked up, on jack stands, wheels off the ground, and all the nuts are torqued up. So, we'll take them all off. There, that easy. You see, because it's so little, if you needed to, not use a rattle gun on a bolt that small, but you could easily get your impact drive into small places and tight places because of the size of it. The only thing that I have done differently is I also got myself a ToolPro torque wrench, because if you're rattling bolts up, you need to have some idea as to how tight they need to be. You need to make sure that you're putting the appropriate torque back through them. So the only way to do that is with an adjustable torque wrench, so you can adjust the torque setting and do them up to the manufacturer's specification. Game changer. Definitely worth checking out. So yeah, little lithium 18 volt impact driver. Great fun to use. And not to mention it's fun doing that. But if you don't have an impact driver, go and get one. Bloody good bit of gear.